In our previous class, we had seen how to select or view the details available in table in Oracle database with the help of select and from clause, with the help of which we created select SQL statement and viewed the details available in the toys table. That is select star from toys. Also, we had seen how we can select only the specific columns from the toys table and get the details and present to the user. Now, in this class, we will learn how to filter the records when we fetch the details from the table. Now, if you look at the data available in our table in the live SQL, we are having 5 records as of now. Now, suppose I want to get the details of only a toy whose name is Sir Stripy Pants. Now, what I can do is I can make use of the where clause over here in order to restrict the records what I am fetching. Now, along with the select and the from clause, we are adding the where. Now, we have to mention the condition. Now, I am writing where my toy name. So, this is the column. So, its value should be this one. So, the records whose value, that is toy name column value, matches Sir Stripy Pants, it will fetch only the details for that particular record. Now, I will run this statement. Now, if you see, I am getting the toy name only for that particular record whose toy name column value matches Sir Stripy Pants. Now, like this, we can make use of this where clause in order to fetch the records from the database for any column. Now, I am interested in getting the toys whose colors is red. Now, I will write the where condition over here where the color should be red. Now, I will run this statement. So, this is case sensitive. In our features classes, we will learn how to make those things case insensitive as well. Now, I will write all in lowercase and run this SQL query. Now, here in the return response, we are seeing there are 2 toys whose color is red. Now, like this, with the help of where clause, we can conditionally match the records in the Oracle's table and fetch only those details available in the table whose condition value is getting matched. Now, in our case, we had seen couple of scenarios where the toy name we have restricted it to Sir Stripy Pants, like the toy name column value. If it matches with that, then it will fetch all the column values for that particular record. Other condition what we had seen is we were interested in getting the details of the toys whose color is red. Now, there is an assignment for you. What you can do is you can create a SQL statement and fetch the details of the toys whose price is greater than 10.